Mary has a workflow application that has a background server agent that routes documents to users listed in a field on each document. Which one of the following conditions would prevent the documents from being routed by the agent? Option A. If an author's field is blank. Option B. If a reader's field contains a role. Option C. If an author's field contains user names but no server names. Option D. If a reader's field contains user names but no server names. The correct answer is option D. Monique's group uses a workflow application that has a view of tasks by who they are assigned to. When Monique opens a page with the view embedded in it, she only sees her own documents, although everyone in the group has been assigned tasks. Which one of the following is a possible reason? Option A. Hide when fields. Option B. Section security. Option C. Show single category. Option D. Shared, private on first use view. The correct answer is option C. For which one of the following reasons would Richard, a database designer, distribute an encryption key? Option A. To allow users to access a locally encrypted database. Option B. To allow users to read an encrypted field in his Domino application. Option C. To allow mail recipients who have access to his private key to read emails he sends. Option D. To allow mail recipients who have access to his public key to read the emails he sends. The correct answer is option B. Queen has reader access in the ACL. His name is referenced in the author's field on a document. Which one of the following can he do? Option A. Read the document. Option B. Delete the document. Option C. Read and edit the document. Option D. Read and create responses to the document. The correct answer is option A.